Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. Scorpios. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. Scorpios. So these are for your general energy, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Scorpios. So let's start with these cards here. We have King of Cups in reverse, Five of Swords in reverse, and Queen of Wands. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, Scorpios, you are someone who is really friendly and devoted to this person you love. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. And you love this person, you trust them, and you are very reliable and honest, and you have a beautiful relationship. Balanced, harmonious, you have mutual love, respect, and caring for each other. And this person you love, maybe they are, they are not what they seem to be. So they have something hidden from your vision, guys, or they are not telling you something. Maybe they are involved in some kind of scandal, some rumors. Something has happened in their life and they are hiding it from you today. Maybe they are interested in you, and if you find out about that, you may leave them. So that may be the reason they are not telling you the truth. And they do not have that courage to tell you the truth, guys. Maybe they are afraid that you will leave them, and this relationship will end there. And also they are facing, or it may be your energy, they are facing a lot of troubles, guys. So maybe in your career situation, you are facing stiff competition from the people you work with, your colleagues, or it may be competitive businesses. So you are making great efforts, working really hard, trying to be really efficient, managing your time, and trying to have a balanced life for you guys. You are putting in lot of efforts. But whatever you faced in the past, this may be your energy or their energy, you are not willing to share with this person. You have some kind of inhibition, some fear that this person will not understand you, or they may leave you if they know what happened in your life. So you are hiding something, or they are hiding something from you guys. So you have true love with this person. If you have true love, you should not be afraid to tell this person what you are actually, guys. So if you base your relationship on honesty, it is going to take you a long way, Scorpios. So that is what I see, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Three of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe just like we saw with the previous cards, you are having something that you are not happy about, maybe some secrets, or it may be some habits, some bad habits, some addictions maybe, and you are not willing to reveal that to this person you love, guys. That may be the reason for some arguments or troubles in your relationship, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Knight of Swords. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, you are someone who has that clear knowledge, clarity, and you are someone who is facing lot of competition, but you are resisting all that, and you're moving forward in your life progressing strongly, positively in your career situation, Scorpios. So you have that strong willpower and determination to reach success, and that may be the reason you are reaching success very soon, guys, Scorpios. So that is the energy with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for you all. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals. So you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card here. This is your first card, second card and third card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. We will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have round and round. So this card just means that in our situation, the spiral quality of events, when something is not being integrated in our life, guys, maybe through our experience, the lessons, what we are supposed to learn. When we do not learn that, we go through that pattern again and again, guys, and this card is a reminder of that. Maybe you feel that in your circumstance today, how you are back here again, maybe in the same kind of situation. Maybe you would have had a similar experience before in your past. So you need not be surprised because you are finding yourself with the same kind of circumstance, with a same type of person, maybe. But you need to understand that in your situation today, what is happening is that universe is trying to guide you or bring that evolution in you, guys, bring that changes in you. That is the reason for things going in a particular way. So maybe you should learn your lessons, what you should not do. You should not do it now. Maybe what you did before, maybe some responses or the way you behaved, you should not repeat that now, guys. So that is what this card means. Maybe today you should handle your situation from a different perspective and respond in a different way. That way you will be able to break this cycle. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's keep this card aside. For those who have chosen the second card, guys, sorry guys, this is your second card and second crystal. This is the crystal for y'all and this is the card. So for those who have chosen this crystal, it is Archangel Uriel. So this angel, it guides us to have that clarity, have our own wisdom in any situation, guys. And this guidance is subtle and gentle but very powerful. So maybe we are trying to find solution in some areas. We feel that we are stuck, some kind of confusions or doubts are there, but the answers you seek are right within you. So this guidance, this card comes with a guidance that you will get your answers from within, maybe through some messages, or you may see certain signs in your situation. Something is going to help you out today. Something that is going to maybe you may find your answers within yourself, maybe through your intuition or some signs or something in your situation. So that way you will get clarity, guys. So maybe some confusions are there and it is all going to clear out. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, the second card. So let's see what is the third card, guys. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Seriphos green quartz. So that is the card here. It's a crystal spirit card. So sometimes we are just forcing ourselves towards something we desire. We are working hard, making efforts, but today we have come to an acceptance that what is not supposed to come will never come towards us, or what is not supposed to change will never change, at least not for this moment. So you have your clarity today, and honestly, you know what you can change and what you cannot change in this relationship. So that way you have a clear idea, guys. So you will be able to work with that other person, co-create your dreams and goals, what you desire and what you deserve. So you need to be present, be here this moment in your life today. Maybe if you are sad, you can cry. It's not going to change anything, guys. But you should not forget that universe is your friend and it is guiding you in a particular way, and you are going to feel so much love and so much happy, and you need not worry that this is the end of things. Maybe certain things are not going up to expectation, but you need not worry. Things will change for the better, and there are good things waiting for you, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.